Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on high comfort on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply open your settings, press on display, scroll down, then you get this option. Make sure to turn on and tap on, then open this option. Okay, and easily customize from here. If you want to set to always, or press on to custom, select time duration, press on done, or increase or decrease color temperature. Okay, and enhance, and make sure to enhance comfort. Okay, select adaptive, overall setup, and that's it.